या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दुर्गारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु सरस्वतीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। दुर्गे देवी दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। देवी दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। देवी दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां। करुणा सागरी काली कपालिनी जगदोदारिणी देवी जय 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 मां। देवी जय 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 is a length from the top. जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवदात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते नमः देवी मुनि मुनि रे यम मारि अमरे मुनि मुनि रे यम देवी अमरे यम पारि अमा ओ यम मारि अमरे यम देवी अमा ओ यम काली अमरे यम देवी अमा ओ यम मारि अमरे यम देवी अमा ओ यम काली अमरे यम देवी अमा मुनि मुनि रे अब मुनि 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 रे यम देवी अमरे यम काली अमा ओ यम मारि अमरे यम देवी अमा ओ यम काली अमरे यम देवी अमा ओ यम काली भद्रकाली जयंती काली मंगल काली सबको काली रे यम देवी अमा ओ यम काली अमरे यम देवी अमा ओ यम मारि अमरे यम देवी अमा अम्मा जय जय गणेश भगवान जय जय गणेश भगवान गणेश भगवान जय जय गणेश भगवान गणेश भगवान जय जय गणेश भगवान
जय जग जननी भवानी हो रामा, भवानी हो रामा, अचल वरदानी। जय जग जननी भवानी, जय जग जननी भवानी हो रामा, भवानी हो रामा, अचल वरदानी। जय जग जननी भवानी। जगमग जगमग ज्योति विराजे, ज्योति विराजे। जगमग जगमग ज्योति विराजे, ज्योति विराजे। तेज प्रताप वदानी हो रामा, वदानी हो रामा, अचल वरदानी। जय जग जननी भवानी। महिमा गमा तुम हारो पर तुम्हारा। महिमा गमा तुम हारो पर तुम्हारा। शेष सूर्यासन जानी हो रामा, न जानी हो रामा, अचल वरदानी। जय जग जननी भवानी, जय जग जननी भवानी हो रामा, भवानी हो रामा, अचल वरदानी। जय जग जननी भवानी। दुख हरनी सुख संपत्ति भरनी, संपत्ति भरनी। दुख हरनी सुख संपत्ति भरनी, संपत्ति भरनी। करनी सकल कल्याणी हो रामा, कल्याणी हो रामा, अचल वरदानी। जय जग जननी भवानी, जय जग जननी भवानी हो रामा, भवानी हो रामा, अचल वरदानी। जय जग जननी भवानी, जय जग जननी भवानी हो रामा, भवानी हो रामा, अचल वरदानी। जय जग जननी भवानी, जय जग जननी भवानी हो रामा, भवानी हो रामा, अचल वरदानी। जय जग जननी भवानी। जय जगदम्बे सीताराणे, जय जगदम्बे सीताराणे। गौरी दुर्गे नमो नमो, गौरी दुर्गे नमो नमो।
Jai. Ad Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. Devotees and friends, last evening we had a wonderful katha. And that katha of Surata, the king, who had to leave his palace. And my dear friends, we saw last evening where sometimes when we believe that certain incident which happens to us might be not too much in our favor. But we saw the king's position last evening, and his position was that his ministers have deceived him. The ministers have now identified with the enemies, and he knew that the best thing to do there and then was to leave the kingdom and go into quietude so that he can enjoy the life. My dear friends, the king did not give up the battle. He did not give up the battle. But my dear friends, the king knew that if he continued the battle without anybody around him, he will be die. He will go to, and he will die. But my dear friends, the best mode to die is to die in that mode of serenity and divinity. We know quite a lot of people. If they should die now, they will be dying, my dear friends, with a lot of agitation on their mind. And that will not allow them well as they travel in the hereafter. So, my dear friends, this is the king found himself in this situation. And I leave last evening where he reached, and he met with a Vaishnava. Let us listen what happened there and then. Munesh, you didn't have our next glasses in the car with our red keys. Let us all put the hands together, close the physical eyes. My dear friends, put your hands together, close the physical eyes. Gajananam bhutaganaadisevitam kapeta jambho palisar bhakshanam Umasutam shoka vinashikarkam Namami Vigneshwar Parapankajam Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Durga Rupena Sanskritam Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Saraswati Rupena Sanskritam Namastasye 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 Namo Namaham Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaram Gurur Sakshat Param Brahmam Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaham Nagendrahara Trilochanayam Bhashmandragaya Maheshwarayam Nityaya Shudaya Digammarayam Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya Om Anjani Garbhasan Mukhom Vayu Putro Mahabam Kumaro Brahmachari Cham Hanuman me Prasidhame Om Bhurbhuvaswan Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasyam Dhimahi Dhyo Yonam Prachodayam Om Sahna Bhavatu Sahna Bhunaktu Saha Vidyam Karvabhayam Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishabhayam Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Prem se bole Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Jai Jai Devi Jai Jai Mam Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam Jai Jai Devi Jai Jai Mam Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani Ambe Bhavani Mata Ambe Bhavani
Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani Jai 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 Jagadamba Bhavani
Jai Jai Devi Jai Jai Mam Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam Maharaj Surat Bhriksh ke niche भेटा कर इस चिंता में पढ़े हुए थे कि उसी समय एक विषादग्रस्ता भैषावहं आपूछं चा जय देवी मां। जय जय देवी जय जय मां। राज ने उस वैश्या को समने देखे ली, उन्होंने उसे आपने सभी समीप पे बैठा लिया और पुण्य उसने। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। आप कौन हैं तथा इस भन में कहाँ से आए हैं? आप कौन है? आप उदासी क्या है? चिंताग्रस्तान रहने के कारण आपके पीले वर्ण के हो गए हैं। हे महाभाग्य सतभाग, एक साथ चलने पर ही मैत्री समय जाके जाते हैं। आते आप मुझे सब कुछ सच्चा सच भात दीजिए। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। व्यास जी बोले राजा का वचन सुनाकर वहां वैश्याश्रम उनके पास बैठम गया और इसे सच्चा जन समान घम समझाकर शांति चिते होकर उनसे कहने लगा। जय जय देवी जय जय मां। अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
So following the katha from last evening, devotees and friends, this king was seated on the root of a tree meditating. And my dear friends, through his meditation, he came out of that dhyan moment. And there he saw one who was very distressed. And he was very much concerned of this distressed person. My dear friends, if as a devotee of God, we come to mandir again and again and again, we go to the church, we go to the mosque, and we do everything else, and we cannot feel that compassion in our hearts when we see someone in distress, something wrong somewhere. You're missing some devoted qualities. You're missing the qualities of spirituality. So devotees and friends, immediately, King Surat, remember he had his trouble too, But my dear friends, the Muni, the great sage, has initiated him with devotion. And devotion is the only thing to find a solution to your problems. My dear friends, you might be running materially in the worldly plane to find answers to your problem, which emanated, which came from, which was born out of the worldly activities. So if these problems are born of the worldly activities and you're going back there for answers, my dear friends, you're going to compound you're going to compound your problems. So the sage told, the rishi told to Raja Surata immediately. He said, listen, when he tell him he can't kill no animals, what he tell him there? What you tell him? What you think he tell him there? He's the king. How you could tell me don't kill an animal in my place? This is my kingdom. But my dear friends, the rishi told him immediately, if you want to survive, then you have to stop eating that meat. And my dear friends, this is one of the biggest problems among our Hindu people. With all these great amount of problems and difficulties, they do not want to make I'm not telling you stop eating meat, but they do not want to make sacrifices. They do not want to make sacrifices. My dear friends, success only comes after sacrifice. So my dear friends, he saw this person there, and this person was very distressed. So he had a few words with him, and you know, sometimes, my dear friends, if I don't know you too much, I don't want to talk. I will say some things, but I will be holding back quite a lot. So King Surata realized that this distressed person had a little fear in speaking. And always remember, my dear friends, as I said it last night and I'll say it again, if you come to the gurus for help, remember the guru last night say, you have to tell me everything, don't hide back nothing. If you keep hiding, the guru will not be able to give you a solution. So my dear friends, he had a little more than 7 words with the Vaishnava. And he told to him, he says, listen, he said, our system tells to us, if anyone talks 7 or more words with someone, you can be considered a friend. And I am certain I talk more than 7 words with you, and I am your friend. Please, tell me, who are you? Kaun hai? I want to know, who are you? Where you came from? And why are you in this forest in this distress mode? Devotees and friends. That was it. This distressed man now felt comfortable to talk to the king. So if we see somebody a little bit distressed, a little bit embarrassed to talk to us about their problems, you mustn't say, well, okay, man, he's so selfish, let's say one side. No, that's not the approach. The approach is that we have to use a method. As in modern language, they will tell us in our studies and all the conferences and everything that you will go to, they say you have to break the ice. No? So there's always have a little icebreaker before you start any big conference. And that icebreaker, sometimes the answer that you give is not wrong, and it would not be right also. Or every answer you give will be correct. But my dear friends, this is what the king did. This is what the king did. He had an icebreaker. And he told him, he says, 7 words and more, I become your friend. So talk to me now. And then he told to him, say, I am a Vaishnava, very wealthy businessman. He said, but my wife and my son is so greedy for money that they put me out of the house. My wife and son, out of greed, have put me out of the house. And this is where I am today. Devotees and friends. He says, and he now too is replying to the king. Oh, my friend, I belong to the Vaishnava caste. My name is Samadhi. I was very rich. Never I had any jealousy towards anybody. Always I used to speak the truth and was devoted to the religious act. My wife and son are very greedy for money and are irreligious, so they cut off their affection and connection with me. Very difficult to cut through, and have driven me out of the house on the pretext that I am very miserly. You know, sometimes if your minister of finance in your house is asking questions and so on, that is not miserly. This Vaishnava was very, very careful of how he spent his money. And the wife and the son could not apprehend that. They could not understand that. So they say he was a very miserly person, and they put him out for that. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagwan ki jai. So devotees and friends, he says, thus forsaken by my relatives, I have now come to this forest. You look to be a very fortunate man, therefore kindly, O dear one, give me now your introduction. I oblige. Devotees and friends, who had more trouble than the king? Who had more trouble than the king? But what made him so relaxed? Ravi, what do you think make him so relaxed? He changed his diet, one. And two, what he was doing when he was discovered this Vaishnava. He was on the tree root meditating. So my dear friends, he had learned the principle of bhakti, devotion, dhyan. He had learned that. And so, my dear friends, he told to the Vaishnava how he lost his palace and so on to these tribal people from the mountain. But he says, I am still very, very much worried. I am very worried. I am worrying if the ministers and all of them, how will they treat the people of my kingdom? So my dear friends, he's praying, but yet still he's worrying about what is happening in the kingdom. But nobody cares about him in the kingdom. But he's still worrying about them. And the Vaishnava is telling to him too, I too cannot find peace. I cannot sleep. I have been reduced to this because I am worrying about when can I be able to meet and merge back again with my family. And so, devotees and friends, the king said, O intelligent one, what pleasure can you expect to see your wicked son and treacherous relatives who have driven you out of your house? Even the enemies are far better, provided they do good to us. What sort of friends are they who impose on us afflictions and sorrows? Do you therefore make your mind calm and quiet and remain here in the greatest peace and happiness? Because of his prayer, he was able, my dear friends, to discover his peace and his happiness. And the Vaishnava said to him, he says, O king, even those that are wicked and cruel find it very difficult to quit their relatives. Today my mind is greatly agitated with the thought of my relatives. I cannot remain quiet. The king told to him, he says, "O friend," he said, "my mind too is insistently troubled with the thought of my kingdom. Come, let us go to the great sage and explain to him what is happening to us." So, my dear friends, it do happen. So, devotees and friends, this is not something strange that will happen to us. It is something normal. Your loved ones may discard you, but yet still you will worry about them. Listen what the Rishi have to say. Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam, Jai Jai Devi, Jai Jai Mam, Jai Jagadambha Bhavani Mam, Ambe Bhavani Mata, Ambe Bhavani, Ambe Bhavani Mata, Ambe Bhavani.
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। राजा बोले, हे मुनि, ये वैष्णव है, आज ही वन में इससे मेरी मित्रता हुई है। पत्नी और पुत्रों ने इन्हें निकाल दिया है और अब यह इन्हें मेरे साथ प्राप्त हुई है। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां। इस प्रकार चिंता करते हुए मुझे ना निद्र आती है और ना मेरे शरीर को सुख मिलता है। मैं जानता हूँ कि यहाँ संपूर्ण जगत स्वर्ग ना के भ्रंति मिथ्या है। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्बा भवानी मां। ऋषि बोले, हे राजन सुनिए, मैं बातता हूँ महामाया की। नाम से भी क्या था वे भक्ति की सभी प्राणियों के बंधन और मोक्ष की कारण है। ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर इंद्र वरुणा पवन अधि सभी देवता मनुष्या गंधर्वा सर्पा राक्षस वृक्षां विवादालय। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। मृग और पक्षी से सब माया के अधीन है। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब। अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी, भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की। So, devotees and friends, the king and the Vaishnava went, my dear friends, to that Muni, to that Rishi, that great sage. And he told to him, remember the sage have not met the Vaishnava yet Samadhi, you know. So he told to the king, he said, King, this is a friend that I met and I made in the forest. And this is his trouble. His trouble is that his wife, his Patni and Putra, his son, have put him out. And so he is very worried about his household and his family and everything else. So too, King, so too, O great saint, O great Rishi, I too am worried. I'm worried about my elephants. Will my elephants become weak? You know, will they give my people the money that they need? Would my people be able to have, my dear friends, a good kingdom to live within? I am worried. And so, my dear friends, here the great Rishi and the great sage told to him, he says, listen, children, this is not something strange. This is the work of the Maya, the Mahamaya. That illusion which comes from the Lord. That avidya or Maya is also called the unmanifested and is the power of the Lord. It is without beginning. It comprises the three gunas and is superior to their effects. It is to be inferred only by one who has clear intellect from the effects it produces. It is this avidya which protects the entire universe. Devotees and friends, the great sage is telling to us here that this Maya, this illusion, is the cause for all that is happening here in your life. He says Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Varuna, Lord Indra, Vayu, all of them fell on the grip of this Maya, this illusion at some point in time. But devotees and friends, the Lord is telling to us that each individual, and I want you to understand this, each individual creates his own world around him due to his ignorance, due to his avidya. I was creating my world around me. You were creating your world around you. And my dear friends, when you put the total sum of all these worlds that everyone create because of the avidya, my dear friends, we get the whole universe. We get the world. And it's happening. So devotees and friends, it tells to us, this avidya, it is a solid mass of ignorance. But it carries with it three gunas, sattva, rajas and tamas. It says this Maya is neither existence nor non-existence. You know, devotees and friends, the avidya or this Maya cannot be said to have a separate existence from Brahman. Nor can it say that it exists not, because we are both enjoying and suffering it. It can also be said that it exists as well as it does not exist. But devotees and friends, we must understand that something cannot be created from a non-existence. So it means it exists. But we need to understand this, my dear friends. And we have to understand it from the context of our karmas, our actions which we have performed. Devotees and friends, I am sitting here lecturing to you, but am I real? You would say, but yes, Pandit, listen, I've seen you. You have hand, foot, and everything else. So you're real. My dear friends, we need to understand that if we to rise above the Maya, then we need to take this body, which is made out of earth, and place it into the water. It does not mean, my dear friends, that we have to give up this body. No. But you have to put this into the water and then take that dissolving body from the water and place it into the fire. And then from the fire into the air. And then from the air into ether. And then it goes with the Mahat, the supreme consciousness, the supreme power. And from there, then you will be able to get moksha or oneness with God. What it simply says, my dear friends, when the great sage and rishis and munis, when they walk the path, and I'll give you a nice example. There was once a king walking the path, and this was told to us in a very nice little book by one they call Vaivaswan. He's a motivational speaker. And he said the king was coming down the road. It was heavy winter. And because it was heavy winter, he had a very heavy jacket on, coat. And there he stopped and he saw the beggar trembling because the beggar did not have any coat or jacket. My dear friends, the king took out his coat and gave it to the beggar. And he was ready to endure whatever the weather gave to him. And this is one when it says that we need to dissolve the earth into the water. It means, my dear friends, we need to dissolve pleasure and pain to this body and make it in a state of equanimity. That hard to understand, and so? Because we are totally attached with the world. We are totally attached to the world. My dear friends, if you lose a gold ring, you feel like the world ended. But my dear friends, if you lose a few moments to surrender and chant the name of the Lord, that is too essential. That's not too essential. Because, my dear friends, we put very little emphasis in praying to God, which will give us the benefit and which will lift us off. But what we feel pain for? We feel pain because we lose the gold ring. We feel pain because we lose $100. We feel pain because we lose $1,000. My dear friends, that is just the earth. That is just the physical. And we have to rise above the physical. Understand, my dear friends, nothing happens without a cause. There is no effect without a cause. We are here at Krishna's home in this mandir here, my dear friends, because of something which caused us to be here. And we have contributed to the cause. The king is into the forest, my dear friends, because these ministers were going to deceive him and they would have, destroy him at a certain point in time. So, my dear friends, what happened? The Lord created a situation that he came into the forest to find peace and happiness and understand that the world is not all. Devotees and friends, this is very difficult for us to understand. Why? Because we are totally saturated into this world. Some, like my nephew and son, they now want to get married, they want little girlfriend and all kind of thing. Not so, Nikhil? So, my dear friends, we are totally engrossed into the world. So what have parity? The world and not God. So when it says these things must dissolve into one another, it means we must give priority to God. We must not feel the pain of the earth. Devotees and friends, the Rishi told to him, he said, listen now. He said, this Maya. Maya take over the creator and the sustainer too one day. Lord Vishnu and Brahma. He says Lord Vishnu and Brahma was quarreling. Who is better than who? Who is more powerful than who? And that is the reason why I told you all one day, do not at any given time compare what we do here with what anybody else do. Because what we do here is what God gave us the opportunity to do, is not us. And let us thank God for giving us the opportunity that we can pray to Him. That's all. My dear friends, thank the Lord today for the world leaders. It may not be the way you want it to be. But this, my dear friends, is the cycle. This is the effect of the cause. They have no control. It have already happened. And this, my dear friends, is the result. This is the fruit. What you have to do now? You have to get up, my dear friends. Take this bad situation or good situation, anyhow you want to take it. Everybody complaining and saying it's a bad situation. Okay, fine, no problem. But take the same bad situation and make it into a good situation. As one of the great gurus said one day, he said, when you have food, be happy that you can eat. And when you don't have food, thank God that you get an opportunity to fast. And that is what we talk about, my dear friends. That is the merging. So Brahma and Vishnu had a big fight. Who is more powerful than who? And we see that happening, my dear friends, in this world today. Who is more powerful than who? Devotees and friends. Who feel that they are powerful, let them believe that they are powerful. So Lord Shiva came, my dear friends, in a big column, and he told Brahma and Vishnu, he said, Brahma, you go to the top. Vishnu, you go down below. And whoever reached the end first, come back here first, and you will be most powerful. Vishnu going down, my dear friends, and when he realized he going down, he know there is no end. With the absolute Lord, there is no bottom, there is no end. You live in and exist in what is here. So he came back and he humbled himself to the Lord. Mr. Brahma going up, my dear friends, going up to the heavenly realm. And Ketaki, flowers that always decorate the head of Bhagwan Shiva, keep coming down. And Ketaki tell to him, he said, where you going? He said, well, I'm going to reach the top. And Ketaki asked him, he said, Brahma, what happened? You're stupid? You don't know you can't meet no top? But my dear friends, between Ketaki now and Brahma. In the ordinary language, they cook up a plan. They design a plan, my dear friends, to outsmart Lord Shiva and to outsmart Lord Vishnu. Yeah. They come up with a plan. Just like how everybody does make plan when they want power. So what happened? My dear friends, they came back down to Lord Shiva. And Brahma said, well, Lord, I reach it up. Look here. This is my evidence. This is my evidence. I reach it up. And Lord Shiva started to smile. And he looked at the deceit of Ketaki, who was on his head all the time. Who was, he allowed to decorate him. The Lord Shiva made Ketaki what she was. And here she come to deceive him. Yes, my dear friends. The gurus does make people what they are and give them what they have. And yet still they will come to deceive the gurus. Principal Shri Ramchandra Bhagwan ki. My dear friends, remember, all deceit has a very high price. From Shiv Puran now, Ketaki start to beg because she realized now the Lord know. When Ketaki start to beg, he said, listen, you will never be around me anymore. Just like how so many people suffering to come to a satsang of Pandit Vishnu and they won't come. Devotees and friends, tell Ketaki, say you will never be around me anymore. And Brahma start to beg now. And when Brahma start to beg, my dear friends, Lord Shiva, who is all merciful and all loving and all giving, that's from Shiv Puran now, I concluding the katha from. It says, my dear friends, what happened? From the forehead of Lord Shiva was born Bhairav. That, the middle one there that we do devotion for through the Navratri, Bhairav, from the middle of the forehead of Lord Shiva. So Bhairav, no wicked person as you deem him to be. He came from the forehead of Lord Shiva. And Lord Shiva told him, he said, Bhairav, he said, you deal with Brahma now. If I go, then the world will continue to lie and I got to forgive them. So my dear friends, I want you to listen now what deceit and lying brings. Be careful, my dear devotees and friends. So my dear friends, as normal, Brahma started in front of Bhairav now, and he started begging him. He said, all right, Bhairav, I go forgive you. But Brahma had 5 heads. How much head do you see Brahma with now? Brahma moving about with 4 heads now. My dear friends, Bhairav say, okay, this is the head that tell the lie. Ma'am, cut off the head. I allow you to live, but you're living now with, my dear friends, 1 less of your head. Devotees and friends, don't ever believe a wrong action will go without being dealt with. And don't believe a good action will go without you being rewarded. Tomorrow night, we will see about the rewards that come to the king and to this Vaishnava. Today, my dear friends, the great sage and the great Muni tells to us, the Maya and the illusion is out there. The beautiful motor car is there. Nikhil, the beautiful girl is there. You know. Were you watching me? No beautiful boy, no handsome boy for you yet. So my dear friends, the attraction is out there to pull you away from divinity and make you feel that you're macho. You name man. But my dear friends, what COVID make the whole world understand? That nobody have no power. There is a supreme power which is more powerful than all. In that note, I ask all of you who have not taken your vaccine yet, please go and get your vaccine. Because I'm foreseeing pretty soon that if you don't get your vaccine, you may not be able to enter any public place. And then I will have to have the harsh reality to tell you, because we would not want to go against the law also. And that will be harsh. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki. So my dear friends, whatever happened to us today is because of a cause which I have contributed to. Nobody else but I. Take the bad situation today and start putting it block by block and building back yourself so that you will be able to rise to God and have your solution to your problem. Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Jai. Bhajan. Come on, look, coconut time. Hey, where's the time? Somebody, please. Oh, Omar, we go with RT one time. Prem se bole Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Jai. Everybody hold your coconut now and pray in your own words. Children of God, I hope this evening I was able to do justice to this katha. You know, it is so much fine points to deal with, which I could not have done because I know my time is tightening into me. And I don't like breaking the law. I want everybody to reach home by 10 o'clock. Prem se bole Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Jai. You all pray now. Everybody please stand. Hari Om Tat Sat Om Tat Sat. Om Sri Krishna Krishna Sagyai Pavitya Mamasya Vidya Pradve. Shri Divala Kalipate Saptame Vaivas Manwantar Kalipatam Charane Jambu Dvipe West Indies Kande. Arvat Arike Desh Antargate Trinidad Desh. Hari Om Sri Mapapi Chetre Grame Bhautavatari Tad Parihi, whatever wish you have, without coconut, all those who are listening to us wherever you are, keep your wish in your mind now. Om Sri Durga Devi Mata, Dehik Devik Bhautik Tapatre Nirvamurtya Devi Garishi Muni Madhava, Sarvesham Mangalam Sarveshantu Niramayam, Sarve Badrani Pashyantu Makachitu Kubhavi, Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Jai. सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया बोल
सुनो मेरी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया
तेरा पार न पाया हो मैया तेरा पार न पाया हो मैया
सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वत
चक्र चढ़ाया, पान सुपारी त्वचा न दिए, ले तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया हूँ मैं। हरि बोल।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया। सुनो मेरी
मेरे देवी
पर्वतवासिनी,
जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां
नारायणी ओम 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 नारायणी ओम
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां जय जगदम्बे जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां जय जगदम्बे
दुर्गे मां
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे मां जय जगदम्बे सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पार न पाया सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पार न सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पार न पाया
सुनो मेरे देवी
पर्वतवासिनी
तेरा पार न पाया
तेरा पार न पाया हो मैया तेरा पार न पाया हो मैया
सुनो मेरे देवी
पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पार न पाया
सुनो
मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पार न सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पार ओम अस्तु मा सत्तमयाम तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमयाम मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमयाम ओम त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेवं त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेवं त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेवं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवं ॐ शान्तिं शान्तिं शान्ति शान्ति हरि ओम आदिशक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय। ओम श्री शिव भगवान की, सनातन धर्म की, ओम श्री गुरुदेवता की जय जय सीताराम। All please have your seats. Those who do in your arti, complete your arti and then take your seats. Arti and prasad will come to you and your refreshment awaits you. So please don't leave without taking your little refreshment. Take off them rings there. Crack the nutmegs on them. Somebody hammer. See where puja bag is, somewhere on. Here, Krish. Roshan. Oh God, what a heavy smasher he have, boy. Om Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadra Kali Kapalini Durga Chama Shive Dhatri Swaha Swadha Namastute Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. Crack. Yeah. Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. Use the correct battery, Hamana boy. Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. Om Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. Durga Devi Mata Ki Jai. Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. You done there, Krish? Take off the ring there. Yeah.